bánh bao.
And this is one of the most beautiful train route I had ever taken. I haven't had breakfast since morning, so I bought this from a lady vendor in Langkor station. It's actually called bun lop. It's a tapioca cake with dried prawns. Very delicious. I have a friend who knows that I love bún bò, recommends me to go to the market in Huế to try the bún bò Huế. One thing I learned when eating street food is don't see how they prepare your food. The grilled meat is very nice. To be honest, I don't know what meat I'm eating. If you are riding in Vietnam, especially on this intercity road, you can only ride on the road shoulder unless you're overtaking. I think I went the wrong way quite far ahead, a little bit overshot, so now I have to turn all the way back.
Cầu chim cục treo bên phải rồi đó, bên ngoài được.
This is bánh bèo, very delicious, only about 20,000. They don't scare the ducks running away or anyone coming to steal the ducks. Okay, so I'm left with last half a day of my entire trade. Now I'm feeling a little pressure. Usually it's next few days after I'm back, I'm more relaxed. Then I will start to think about the trip. Now I'm kinda rushing for time to get whatever shot I can get. this is a dead end. I guess this is the end of my treat.